Let's do a sound check right here on the Rue Ontario under the CP track. In the cool of the evening when everything is getting kind of groovy, I call you up and ask you if you'd like to go with me and see a movie. First you say no, you've got some plans for the night, and then you stop and say alright. Love is kinda crazy with a spooky little girl like you. Spooky! Hey, you imagine 67 Thunderbirds and 63 Impalas driving by with a Nova and a Valiant. You know what I'm talking about? If you decide to stop this stupid little game that you are playing. Yeah, Spooky by the Classics 4, a white man with soul. This is Bob Barker reminding you to have your pet spayed or neutered. Good night, everybody.